Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Haley C. and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fit with Haley Vibes, 10-minute seated arm workout, or burn flabby arm fat or no equipment needed. Tired of stubborn arm fat that just won't go away? In just 10 minutes from the comfort of your chair, you'll tighten, tone, and sculpt your arms. No equipment, no pressure, just pure focus and movement. This seated arm workout targets every inch of your upper arms with smooth, controlled exercises that actually work. Stay consistent, feel the burn, and watch your confidence rise with every rep. Your transformation starts here. Before we begin, take a deep breath and let yourself arrive in this moment. Forget about what happened today. Forget about what comes next. This is your time. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy gear, and you don't need to stand. What you do need is presence. Sit tall, feet grounded, and let your shoulders relax. Feel your body anchor into the chair, your spine lengthening naturally. This is where intention meets movement. When you approach your workout with focus and control, every rep counts twice as much. It's not just exercise, it's energy in motion. As we move through this seated routine, stay mindful of how your body feels. Listen to it, respect it. You're not forcing change, you're guiding it. Remember, your body responds to consistency, not perfection. So show up with calm determination. Let your breath lead your movement and trust the process. Now that your mind is centered, it's time to wake up the body. Start by loosening your shoulders, slow rolls backward, feeling the tension melt away. Let your arms hang lightly, and as you move, breathe in deeply through the nose and out through the mouth. Each motion prepares your muscles, joints, and ligaments for what's coming next. This warm-up isn't about speed or strength. It's about awakening awareness. As the blood begins to flow, notice how your body responds. The warmth building, the stiffness fading. Think of this as switching. From rest mode to active mode, every gentle motion you make increases circulation, bringing oxygen to the muscles and signaling your body to move freely. This step might seem small, but it's the foundation of injury-free progress. The more intention you bring here, the stronger your performance becomes later. Keep it light, keep it fluid, and let your body know it's ready to work. Lift your arms out to the sides, keeping your posture tall and your shoulders relaxed. Begin with small, steady circles, slow and controlled. Feel the movement start from your shoulders, not your hands. Each rotation activates the smaller, stabilizing muscles that give your arms that lean, defined shape. Don't rush it. The slower you go, the deeper the burn, and that's where real toning begins. As your arms start to warm, switch directions, keeping your breathing smooth and your gaze steady, then move into tiny pulses, lifting just an inch up and down, maintaining tension the whole time. It's in these small, precise movements that your muscles learn endurance and shape. You might feel the fire build, but that's exactly what you want. It means the work is happening right where it should. Stay mindful, stay grounded in your breath, and let your body find its rhythm. Now bring your arms straight behind you, palms facing down, and start to extend through the fingertips. Keep your chest lifted and your core lightly engaged. This movement isn't about how far you can reach, it's about how well you can control each extension. As you push back, focus on squeezing the muscles at the back of your arms. That's your triceps, one of the most common areas people want to tone. You'll start to feel that familiar burn spreading through the upper arms, and that's exactly where transformation begins. Maintain a steady breath, moving with precision and purpose. Imagine length flowing from your shoulders all the way through your hands. Each rep builds strength and definition without adding bulk. Stay patient, stay present, and let your arms do the work. Remember, every controlled squeeze brings you one step closer to visible change. This is the moment where the real work begins, the endurance phase. Your muscles are awake, your form is strong, and now it's time to challenge yourself just a little more. Keep your arms lifted, your shoulders relaxed, and start those small, consistent pulses again. You'll feel the heat build faster this time. That's your body responding, adapting, and growing stronger. Don't fight the burn, breathe through it. This is where your body learns resilience. Every second you stay in control. You're training more than just your arms. You're strengthening your mindset. When the muscles start to shake, that's not weakness, it's progress. Stay focused on your breath, your form, and your purpose. These last few minutes are what turn effort into results. You've come this far. Now finish it with focus and power.